Hi everybody, it's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. How is everybody doing? We are here in my favorite part of the floor. Hi everybody, I'm back. Welcome. So we just did a minor little bit of stretch on the farm and I wanted to get right into it and start with a little bit of breathing and reaching high and coming down. And we want to reach forward and we want to come up and reach for the stars in the sky. See those twinkling stars? But it's daytime, so we're going to make believe that they're stars. And we're going to reach for them because we know that they're going to come out later. And we're going to go over. It's such a beautiful night out, and we're gonna go this way. And we're gonna start with some slow movement, and we're gonna shift our back down into child's pose. And flat. And we're going to stay there and bring ourselves down into Cobra. And up. And we're going to go into plank. We're going to see how long we can hold it here, okay? So tuck in your belly. And let's do that. Listen to the beautiful sounds of the birds. And we're going to kick it back. And we're going to kick it back. And toe side. We're going to do side toe, over again, and down. Child's pose, stretch out your back. Oh, that feels amazing. We're going to do the other side as well. So, because in honor of our 250th year of America, I have broke out my new shirt, Born Free 1776. I have my OOTD on. These are new tights. I'm going to have them linked below. They are from Danskin with the new color. And we're going to go into the other side. So we're going to cat-cow it. Okay, we're gonna kick back, keep your right arm down, and side, and kick, and down, and 2, 3, kick that sky, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, woo, starting to burn, 9, 10, okay, we're going to do our toe, stretch it out, go down, and up, we're going to toe, back, side toe, back. Oh yeah. All right. Plank. Stretch out your calves if you can. And go into plank. Hold it. walk it up. Stretch it. Then I can come down. Hi, my beautiful souls. Ah, it is an absolutely gorgeous night. Just got home from work. I am present. I am sitting tall. I had a long day today. So I'm totally gonna give this away, but we have the US Open going on, and it has been a nightmare of traffic. So my days and mornings and coming home have been a little bit challenging just because of the traffic and getting up even earlier. So with that being said, I wanted to be here, and it's just been really difficult because I've had a couple of little mishaps. But if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining me. Thank you for being here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because all of you who join me and watch me and like and comment, it really helps my channel grow, and I really want to be here for you guys. So I'm learning along the way as well. There's a lot to learn when you're a YouTuber. So I just, there's a lot of people out there that I totally want to give shout outs to, and I think my next show, I'm going to have a list. I'm going to do a couple of shout outs, and if you hear your name, please say hi and don't be shy. Okay, and don't forget that everything that I use in my yoga classes, all my extra tools that I use, a brick, this and that, it's all linked in my Amazon. So I have an Amazon wish list. I have buy me a tea and a coffee. It's awesome. So it really helps. It helps support my channel because I have to learn how to grow and make this better. It could be anything, like this gimbal that I've been using, and it's been like going cockeyed on me. But I think our next show, we're gonna film with Molly. As you can tell, I love filming in this area. It's a little more secluded. I have lots of trees around me, and it's just fun. So I like it here. It's my private space, and you need to have a private spot for yourself. It's almost where you can meditate and just feel like you need to sit quiet, think about your day, know that you're in a safe spot, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, this has been a great time for me, and it's just going to get better, and I'm hoping that we could get to the beach and I could do some filming there. That would be amazing. So I just have to watch my videos and tweak them, because I kind of got hit with something from WT. So anyway, with that being said, I love my YouTube channel, and we are going to continue. We did arms, and we're gonna kind of push them back, and we're gonna fold them up and go over as far as you can and up. So remember, we want to, as we get older in our 50s, this is great for intermediate and beginners. You could just sit on the mat and do a lot of my exercises here. You don't need too much. You just need yourself to be present and a mat. And right now, we're gonna do free arms. My shirt says Born Free. So let's do it. 1, 2. And we're gonna do wide circles. I think in a little bit, we're gonna go see Molly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you feel them burn. This helps. We don't like those sandbags there. And back. 2, 3, 4, and wide. 2, go wide. Oh, yes. So those feel good. You can also do small ones. And we're gonna stretch and reach and stretch and reach. And we're gonna do our tummies. We're gonna do some breathing exercises. This is great for people, women who have a little bit of menopause, premenopausal, perimenopause. But when you start breathing, it really helps with your tummy muscles. So we're gonna start doing that, and we're gonna inhale. Hold it, tuck in your tummy, hold it tight. Exhale. Breathe in. Remember, you're holding in your tummy muscles. Exhale. Hold it. Exhale. That was lovely. I mean, and we're gonna rotate our backs a little bit and use your tummy muscles to push and pull, because this will help with your lower back. And I just want to fix the camera a minute. I'm gonna reach and bring it down. Namaste. I just want to say thank you for joining me. I hope you can join me on my next class, which I will have that for tomorrow. So don't be a stranger. Make sure you like and subscribe and come and join me. And don't forget to check me out on my other channels as well, okay? So, see you soon.